Hi guys, introduce myself. My name is Rini. Will name C1I024004. Your 3-step guide to setting weather boundaries at work. I'm Travis. The hard job that is to help people create healthy relationship, and let me tell you, it can be really hard to tell someone what you need. It takes a lot of courage to stand up and say, "This is the way I want to be treated." Most of the issues create are for calling other people in our life and we feel refused and valued. It's true with friends, family, partner, and etc. At work, you get to set healthy boundaries. Boundaries can be an interpretive, but there you feel simply the station and head that feel safe and comfortable in relationship. Work is the relationship we spend the most time in, and yet it's also the place where we have to healthy team setting limits. We're scared that people once see us as claim fly or employer have boundaries, but in our work day, big guy and no money vacation day you can have, but work boundaries need to be two-way street. Boundaries for you employer and boundaries for you. Setting teams can help you feel free and more fulfilled in your roles. Not the months less exhausting and everything at work. We often assume the other people have the same rules for life as we do, and preference and know our feelings from our body language. But no one, not the people you have known for years, and secondly, not your coffee and fit your meal. You have to especially state what you need. Communication, what works for us, is one of the wisest things we can do. The short time discovery is so worth it for the long term actually of having healthier boundaries in the workplace. Hurry 3 steps to help you get straight. Step 2. Identify the boundaries you need to set. There are so many different skills. For example, you can tell us clock you what hour you're on and aren't available to work. You can share that you need to leave the office formally at 5 to pick up your skill, or that you log off on the weakness to really rescue. You can tell them how you prefer to company, that you rather than instant messaging for texting. Especially with your best, you can set boundaries around how you like feedback. You can say what best fits clear the list. Please set one, or you can tell them you like with notes on your work so you have time to digest the feedback. You can set boundaries on how you interact with people socially. For example, it makes me feel uncomfortable when you share gossip at my desk or not. I'm not interested in drink afterward, but I love to go to yoga class with you. You can even set boundaries or use calendar and ask that people as you before the free no meeting on to ask you prefer to be ever of the your day looks like. Step 2. Think about how and when to make the statement. Boundaries are like the customer list. You want to set them as early as possible. People do it all the time in the job seeking process. They might say something like, "Should I need for the access? Will I to be able to take my vacation? If we can go into a new work in front, meet and with people already know we can and can do. That's a beautiful way to serve up. That's like too much. Our occasions can be great time to set boundaries. When you seriously set you the work day in, set just flow it in. That's perfect. I need to have work ethic on boundary. I want you to set right away is to check a very single day of a vacation you feel that it's you need the rise and rescheduling is good for work-life balance. And by the way, it's perfectly acceptable to set boundaries for yourself when you know something in the workday is making you feel good. So if you get Ashley, when you have meeting in a day, tell yourself that 4 will be your maximum. If you get easily take to respond to Emily on Monday morning, don't the day first thing. Break it up in health or intermittent throughout the day. I set off boundaries or my work. For me, I like working in 30-minute thing. I don't like to every email as soon as I give in. I like setting with the everything before I respond. You have to set in motion that new habit and frequency that will make you feel at ease and know from the most importantly part of the process. Step 3. Stick to me boundaries you set. If you are not available after 6, don't respond to group chat. If you say you are not available in weekends, don't be available on weeks. When you respond to an email or agree to look at it purposely out of the zone, you're telling people that the boundary is real, that it's okay to if it's. You respond to a mail for agree to look at that reversal of use boundaries. You're telling people that the boundaries and real that it's all do fully it essentially is really catchy. That mean restoring the boundaries more than one. That you mean reminding yourself why you set the boundaries first place. Setting boundaries is hard at first, but the more you do it, the easier it gets. Boundaries are smoothest and you start to personally implement them. Try to at least aim them along will to you meant to be inspiration that fails. Them set boundaries even if don't have the actually right now what you ought to beg for the remain.